We are very grateful to everyone who helped with these events, especially those who are part of the Capsule Foundation and all our Kizuna staff that are present today. Our company's purpose is to make everyone smile. We'll do our best to make everyone smile. Now, let's all have fun. Ion Fantasy CSR has begun. Thank you po. Salamat po.
So we first want to thank Kizuna because this is not the first time that we have had our events sa Kizuna. Bakit ba natin preferred ang Kizuna? We really prefer to have our event sa Kizuna kasi ang Kizuna is a very safe environment.
On behalf ng Ion Fantasy Group Philippines Incorporated po, lubos kaming nagpapasalamat sa pagkakataon sa napakahalagang proyektong ito, ang AFP Kizuna Corporate Social Responsibility in partnership with the GMA Kapuso Foundation, Kapuso Cancer Champion. Sa ating mga young cancer warriors at sa kanilang mga magulang, saludo po kami sa inyong tapang, lakas ng loob at inspirasyon. Kayo po ang tunay na dahilan kung bakit kami narito ngayon, upang iparamdam na hindi kayo nag-iisa sa laban na ito.